on. Because we'll use them on our next model that we're going to make and the rest of it.
My name's Jackson Weldon, studying Cert 2 in Carpentry and Joinery, and I'm from John Forrest Secondary College. Carpentry comes from a long line in my family. My great-grandfather was doing carpentry. A lot of my family's doing trades. I like it because I like doing the design element of stuff particularly, but also like working with my hands a lot. For the World Skills project, I'll be doing a saw stool. It's similar to what I've done before, except this one's a little bit more simple. I think probably just keeping on track with time is probably one of the more challenging aspects of something like this. Probably keeping with neat cuts and all that would be pretty challenging as well. My top tip for carpentry would be keep on track, stay on time, keep neat lines. When I finish school, I'll probably go into a carpentry trade. I have done work experience. I did it with cabinet makers before, and in future I'll be doing some more work experience with some carpenters this time.
My name is Cooper. I go to Southern River College and I am studying Cert 2 Building and Construction. I started studying Cert 2 at the beginning of this year. I'm enjoying the carpentry quite a lot because I like the idea of making pretty much whatever you want with simple tools. For the World Skills project, I like the idea of building a saw stool to be able to simply just put it down anywhere and then cut however much wood you need. I think the most difficult thing for the competition would be time management and making sure the cuts are just right to be able to fit into the joints. When I leave school, I want to fix up the insides of houses to make it look good, and making it look good so then people can film or live in for generations. Other than carpentry, I would like to do painting because I can make good designs on the wall and people can marvel over the creations that came out of my head.
My name is Damus Newbury. I go to the school in Balga. It's called Iron Mechanic, and I do cert to Carpentry. I have a very creative mind, and I love working with wood and crafting new stuff at the top of my head. And I also just love building stuff. I chose carpentry because my father, he built a rocking chair, and I wanted to go through that experience of building and crafting new stuff with my hands. With carpentry, the only thing I find difficult about it is the numbers and all of that stuff. But I'm alright with everything else, measuring and cutting and all of that. I think my favourite part of it is designing this stuff, because I love drawing. So we'll be going to WorldSkills competition. I didn't know about it first, but when I learned about it, I wanted to do it straight away because I love competing and stuff. And I could also put that on my resume whenever I'm going for jobs. I did working experience with just building roofs and supporting it, and like putting the side rails on the side of it. Yeah, I loved the working experience that I did with the team, and the team was awesome.
My name is Daniel O'Meara. I go to Southern River College and I do Cert 2 construction. I feel like I'm a very creative person, and I like to get things precise, and I like how everything fits in together. Like with all the woodwork and how all the joints will all connect perfect if you get it all right. Some of the most challenging things about the carpentry is something about like putting all the joints precise and how to line it all up together. I've been doing the course for nearly a year. For the work experience, I'm going to be gaining experience by going out and doing real life, reading plans and building houses and warehouses and stuff like that. I decided to do the work skills competition because I wanted to compete against other students and see how far I'm at and see where I'm ranking against other people my age.
My name's Raf Bacon. I go to LaSalle College and I'm doing a Cert 2 in Carpentry, which is a pre-apprenticeship. I've been doing it since year 7 at school and I just enjoy it. So I thought, why not do it and get a job out of it, because it's something I enjoy, something I can see myself doing in the future. I've done like bricklaying and a few other things occasionally with work experience, but carpentry is like my favourite sort of thing. It's like good fun. It's like you got that like extra bit of room. If you make a mistake, you can like go and fix it. It's pretty simple to fix up. You don't have to restart and do it from scratch, sort of thing. For the World Skills project, I know I'm making a sawhorse or saw stool, whatever you want to call it, really. I know that like I've seen the plans and everything. I've been trying to do them, but on my own, like in my own time, sort of thing at TAFE. I'm like really pretty stressed for the actual competition. It's going to be quite nerve-wracking. Yeah, I feel like I got good odds though, because I've seen all the plans and everything. I've seen all that, so yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's going to be a stressful day though, I know for a fact. So just coming to TAFE is pretty fun. I've got like lots of mates and stuff, lots of people that are interested in the same things as me. So it's like, yeah, you get along quite well. You get to do your work, which is fun as well. Plus you miss a day at school, which isn't too bad. The biggest challenges at the World Skills competition I might have to face is using tools with my disability and that affecting how I use them, because majority of tools at World Skills will be right-handed, I'm assuming, because most tools in like the trade industry are right-handed. And that means that I'll have to find a different way to use them to everybody else, which will make it like more difficult for me to be able to, like, you know, keep going with the project. Yeah, and having this disability, I just want to prove to people that I can do what everybody else can do. I'm hoping to leave school at like some point this year and go do an apprenticeship in some sort of carpentry. I've got a contact who says he's looking at second fix carpentry for me, which is pretty exciting, because I would like to get out of school, go be earning money instead of sitting in a classroom all day. So I'm pretty excited for that, yeah.